Welcome back to C++ programming. Today we're in Chapter 7, looking at data types in C++, and we're doing example 4. We are going to write a program that prompts the user to input a string. The program then uses the function substring to remove all the vowels from the string. For example, if string equals there, then after removing all the vowels, then string equals THR. After removing all the vowels, output your string. Your program must contain a function to remove all the vowels and a function to determine whether a character is a vowel. Okay then, so obviously we're going to use strings. We're going to have a include here that includes strings. So we back over this, pound, include, and put a carets around the word string. Okay, so let's come on down. Looks so fine. Looks fine so far. So now we're going to have a call here to remove the vowels. So now I'm just going to write, we haven't written it yet, but I'm just going to call the program remove vowels. And we'll have it return a string, what we call str. Okay, so after removing the vowels, it'll print that out. So now let's go write that remove vowel program. So now I'm going to write my remove vowel function code here on line 29. So now I'm going to get the length of the string. Well, let me get that variable. Okay, I'm also going to declare an index, set it to 0. So now I'm going to check and build a loop here, a while loop. And as long as the index is less than the length, we're going to hunt for a vowel. Opening curly brace. Now I'm going to check if is vowel is true. We're checking for the vowel. This requires another opening curly brace. So now we're going to search the substring for the vowel. And we're going to set length to the length of the string. So we're checking each letter. So now what if it is not a vowel? Put an else statement in here. We'll add 1 to the index value. Okay, I should have another closing curly brace here. So I'm going to write check to see if it's a vowel function here. So here I'm going to check a switch. I'm going to check for A, E, I, O, and U. And I'm going to check for capital A, E, I, O, and U. So we'll use a switch case. Okay, let's do A switch has obviously curly braces. So let's do the first case. Let's try for a little a. Let's try for a big A. Let's try for a little e. Let's try for a big E. Let's try for a little I. Let's try for a big I. Let's try for a little O. Let's try for a big O. Let's try for a little U. Let's try for a big U. So now, if any of these cases are correct, we're going to return true. So now the final case, the default case, we're going to return false. Okay, I think that should do it. Let's run our code. Okay, it tells us here in the main clause that there's a remove vowels is not declared. So let's look. We have remove vowels here. Oh, misspelled. There should be an O in here. So let's try it again. Run code. It's asking me to enter a string. So I'm going to write the word tornado. So there you go. After removing the vowels, torned. There you go. That's your program. And we're done.